Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Mercedes Benz is showing the P0163 engine code, and you're confused about what it means and how serious it is, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what P0163 means, its causes, common symptoms, and the best fixes in a simple way. The P0163 code means oxygen sensor circuit low voltage bank 2, sensor 3, in simple terms. Your car's computer has detected that the rear oxygen sensor on bank 2 is sending a voltage signal that's too low. When this code appears, you may notice check engine light on, reduced fuel efficiency, rough idling in some cases, failed emission test, slight loss of performance. In many cases, the car may still drive normally, but ignoring the issue can lead to bigger problems later. Here are the most common reasons this code appears. 1. Faulty oxygen sensor. 2. Damaged or shorted sensor wiring. 3. Corroded or loose sensor connector. 4. Exhaust leak near the sensor. 5. Sensor contamination. 6. ECU or software issue. Mercedes vehicles are very sensitive to sensor voltage readings, so even small wiring damage can trigger this code. It indicates that there is a fault in the oxygen sensor, located in the bank 2 sensor 3 location of the vehicle. Here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0163 error code. Method A. Paste the exhaust leaks. The exhaust system begins at the engine combustion chambers and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with the visible tailpipe. If you had a leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. The hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means you can use something like a hairdryer to heat it up and make it cure faster. Method B. Wrap up the exhaust leaks. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on them. Like this one, the seam will often model leak. First, you use sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. Method C. The oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 2. Sensor number 3 is downstream of the last catalyst in the exhaust system. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the oxygen sensor. So here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0163 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Up to scanner to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. They're also open to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.